Mathematics Grade 9. Lesson number 11, the calculator. Fourth video. Next part of the lesson, performing calculations using the X squared key. The X squared key is used to find the value of powers with index 2. Write the order in which the keys need to be pressed to obtain the value of the following calculations. First example, 4 squared.
Now we are going to find the square of 4. Then at first you should switch on the calculator. Then 4 squared. At first you should press the key 4. Then squared. Here you can see it's x squared key. Then you should press that x squared key. And now it's 4 squared. And we want to get the answer. For that, you should press the equal key. Here you can see the answer 16.
An example 5.2 squared.
At first, we should clear the screen. Then you should press AC button. Then 5.2 squared. Then you should press 5. Then decimal point, 2. Then now you should get the square. For that you should press the x squared key. In here no need of pressing the shift key because of there is a key named as x squared. Now it's 5.2 squared. Then we want to get the answer. Then you should press the equal key. Then the answer is 27.04.
Third example 2 squared into 5 squared.
At first you should clear the screen. Then press the AC button. Then 2 squared, it means 2. Then you should press the x squared key. Then it is to multiply. Then multiplication sign. Then 5. Then 5 squared. No, then you should press the squared button. Now we won't get the answer. Then you should press the equal sign. Then the answer is 100.
Fourth example, find the area of a square of side length 7 centimeters.
At first we should clear the calculator. Then you should press the AC button. Then we have to find the area of a square of side length 7 centimeters. Then area is equals to side length squared. Then therefore you have to find the value of 7 squared. Then at first you should press the key 7, then x squared. To obtain the answer you should press the equal sign. Then the answer is 49.
Do the activity number 3.